Hi everyone, welcome to the Mako EA. This is Tuesday the 21st of January 2020. This is the latest update video. Last one was on the 17th, which was on Friday. Obviously Saturday and Sunday we don't trade because the markets are shut. So let's talk about yesterday. Yesterday was a public holiday in the United States. It was the Martin Luther King public holiday, which means the Americans are shut for the day. Now with the EA, we had a day of say a grindy pain really. We set the thing off about just on London Open at 8 o'clock, and because there was no activity in the market whatsoever, it really did range in a very low range all day. And we just sat there when you're watching it and it's just doing nothing, and it's just a little bit up, a little bit down. It just does nothing all day. It took until about 4 o'clock in the morning this morning for it to actually hit target. But the great thing is it did hit target, and it does that every time. It just takes a little bit of time, especially on public holidays. It can be a real grindy, horrible day. But then I woke up this morning, about 6 a.m. looking at the markets, we see that we've got a closed profit target, which is great. So we look to go again, and we did that. We set off at 8:15 this morning, London, just after the London opening, and by 9:30 this morning, about 9:20 actually, the EA had hit target again, and that's it for the day. So in the 2 days of trading, we've done 2.04% onto the actual overall balance with a closed out. Everything's closed out. Equity is the same as the balance, which is exactly what we want. So I'll just bring this into view so you can actually see this now, and have a look at the FX Blue page, which is the page which we use for independently verified results, so you can track this on a daily basis. So let's just bring this into view. Okay, so you can see the balance and the equity are the same. Now the balance is $3,864.28. Equity is the same. There's no floating profit or loss. There's no trades open at this point in time. And we're on course now for a monthly return of 24.9, which is basically 25%. So you can see when we started here, this is a gradual start. These flat lines here are obviously the weekends, and this is this weekend just gone. That was yesterday, and that is today, Tuesday. So tomorrow we'll be looking to go tomorrow, and that is it really. It's as simple as that. So this is, if you haven't got to this page yet, it's fxblue.com. the link's actually just below this video, so you can actually track and keep a track of what's happening on the Mako EA. And it's just a gradual, upward lift every time, and that's exactly what we want. Now, I had an email from Alex earlier on. How you doing, Alex? And I just thought I'd update this. And he's asking, how do we actually get involved? How do we actually work the Mako EA? It's very simple. When you go to the Mako EA, or it's MakoEA.com, then basically what happens is you then sign up, you then become a member, and there are some instructional videos there. There's 4 instructional videos. You open up a broker account, very simple, very easy to do. All you have to do is upload your documents, which is a copy of your passport and proof of address, and then you will they verify that, and then they will actually set up an MT4 platform for you. And then you send us the details of that. You don't have to send us the details of your personal account where you can fund your account, withdraw money out of your account. We don't need the details of that. All you simply do is send us your MT4 details. You funded your account. We hook it up to the Mako EA. And simply what happens is one master account will trade all the accounts which are hooked up to this. So every single member of the Mako EA has their own account, which is traded by one big account. So regardless of what you've got in your account, like this morning and yesterday, over the 2 days, it's made 2.04%. So essentially, if you'd have had $1,000 in there, you would have made just over $20 in profit. If you'd obviously had $100,000 in there, you would have made just over $2,000, $2,040. That's how it works. If you've got $1 million in there, then you would have made $20,000. So it's it's all tenfold like that. So that's how basically you become a Mako member. And obviously our membership is growing daily now, because more and more people are seeing these results. These are independently verified results. This thing actually nails it. It gets results, and that's the beauty about what we do. It does it day in, day out. We do it Monday to Friday, obviously on the trading days, even on public holidays like yesterday. I mean, in hindsight, with a day as it was, we probably wouldn't have switched it on, because we didn't think the market would be that bad. But the market was absolutely completely dead yesterday, but it still hit target. The only days what we don't trade is non-farm payroll days, which is the first Friday in every single month, because the markets then tend to go a little bit stupid and we don't want to risk anything. It's just not worth it. So just not trade, have a day off on that Friday and just do other things, you know, have a round of golf, whatever you do in life to you know, in your spare time, you can do that. So that's how it works. It's very, very simple. If you like what you're seeing here, come and join us. If you think to yourself, well, I'll just give it a little bit longer, keep tracking this page, but make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like the channel, and like the videos, and keep watching. Okay, guys, great update. I'll speak to you soon.